Okay. Good morning, everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open box and Fabfitfun. I already actually opened it, but I want to show you my box. Here is Fabfitfun. This is spring edition. Hello, good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna do unboxing again. It's my favorite Fabfitfun. If you are new to my channel, hi. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you, everyone. I'm now 4,000 subscribers. Slow, but that's okay. Open my box, okay? It's like a cardigans, guys. So that's called DONNI. So it's a cardigan. It is nice. I like the color. Okay, there you go. And vitamin C mixing product, so you can put it somewhere on your any cosmetic products. Skin direction. So it's a rose gold radiance booster. It's an illuminator. You can put this on the moisturizer. That is good. Put 1 or 2 drops on your moisturizer. Let's open it. Ayan. So let's see what's in here. Oh, ayan guys. So you can put 1 or 2 drops. Hala, magwapataan. In the morning, so I said I should do this unboxing before they wake up. So Fabfitfun, I got this one. You know what this one is? This is actually an eye mask. So like that. And you can adjust my velcro siya. There is a velcro and you can adjust, so when you sleep you can do that. Hello? Sana ba kayo? What is that movie that you have to use this one? You have to cover your eye. It's Bird Box. Meron siyang scent because of there's pressure. That way you can sleep. Gravity weighted sleep mask. It catches some quality sleep. This weighted sleep mask blocks light and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. So there is a pressure points pala dito. Next one. I like this one, guys. Hello. Bling brush. This is good for my curl hair. You know I have a curly hair, guys. It's the comb, it's called the ARIA Beauty Lux Detangling Electroplated Brush. Show you guys. If you guys didn't know that I actually cut my hair, so it's shorter now. It used to be like really oh look now, see? That's my hair, guys. It's very short now. Well, so ano na naman ang gusto natin i-open? Ito. So it comes with 4 different colors. Very nice. Yellow, pink, light pink, and greenish. Oh, soft and shit. It's so soft. So like that. At saka may brush din, so if you want to wash it, so there is a brush. You can just wash. You can wash it like that. And you know what's good about also, guys? You can put it on a keychain, and you're supposed to you can do that. See? So ayan. So you can put it, or it's for a travel, and you can put it in your purse, and then okay, it's time to drink. All you do is dip, came off. it up to this much. So it's a straw holder, and it's silicone, so it doesn't break. Cleaner and a carrying case. You can sip your drinks on the go for $15. Okay, next is called the Wrinkle Treatment Revive Therapy. So I think I'm going to do a review on this one, a different video, but I want to show you what this one is. See, this is supposed to be like, you turn this on and then it's for wrinkling. You just do like that. This one is supposed to be for your wrinkles. So tayong matatanda na, I'm aging, I want to look still young at age 50. Well, I'm 43 right now, so okay, so I'm going to do a different video of this one, so we'll talk about it. Stay tuned on that one. Wherever your wrinkles is, just, oh, there you go. So that's how you do it. So supposed to be for your wrinkles. It's called the Revive Light Therapy Go Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. Simulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. So it's actually about like $6 to $8 for this. See? This is for aging, guys. Anti-aging. This one. It's called the Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel. Ooh. It gently surfaces skin, smoothing, boosts radiance. Ah. So the benefit of this one, it moisturizes your skin. It helps promote brighter skin. It's be good damaged skin. Purple carrot nourishes skin, keeps soft and hydrated. Yeah. Oh, it smells water, of course. Yeah. Oh, like that. Okay, next is the Collagen Murad Collagen Infusion. It's formulated with collagen amino acid. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. Costs about $7 to $8. It's called the Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, this, I would love this. My hair is, after I wash my hair, if I don't put any leave-in conditioner, it will get so like frizzy, like. So I always put leave-in conditioner. The leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth your split ends. $24. So yeah, definitely I can use this one. It smells it. Oh, smells good. It's like fruity. It's like fruit. I don't know what kind of fruit, but it's fruity smell. Okay, my last one, guys, it's called This Works, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Oh, the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Let's look. So 6A. This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Awesome. So for sleep. So if I have this, and then I put this one to calm me down, and yeah, it's for sleep. So yun na. I have a lot of face products, and for sleep mask, and then in the hair. That's awesome. Actually, there are a lot of choices here. You can get the bag, which I already have. I got this, the Murad collagen, and the cardigan. I did not get the umbrella, although the umbrella is really beautiful. It's colorful, but I did not get that because I have so many umbrellas already. And a travel pack here, I did not get that as well because I have that. There is also a recovery cream oil and a makeup. This is nice to have, but I don't use makeup a lot anymore. You used to, but no. And the radiant booster, a bowl. I did not want that. And this is a mask to clean your face. I did not get that. I got this one. There is a necklace too if you want. A damage remedy. I already have that. I did not get that. So I have this. I don't have that. I have the Pure C, vitamin C, and then the eye mask or sleeping mask. I got that. And there's more here. On this page, I only got the deep sleep. Oh yeah, and then the straw. That's actually it. That's all. Thank you. Do you have any favorite, guys? Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hi!
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na!